Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
What's up guys? For today's video, we will be looking for a Chat GPT application on Google Play. So let's check. Let's open our Google Play. And here, just type down Chat GPT on the search bar. And there are lots of applications that uses AI Chat GPT. Now, to cut the long story short, there is no available application in Google Play such as Chat GPT. So, how are we going to use it or access it? You can access the Chat GPT only on your browser. So just open your browser and then type down Chat GPT, and there you go. Click on the first option, introducing the Chat GPT. Try Chat GPT. Just click on it, and then type down the question that you wanted to ask to Chat GPT. After that one, just hit the send button, and there you can see it is already generating informations about the question that you have asked. And that's it. That is how helpful Chat GPT is.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.